Welcome back to Garage Matters. Today we'll be restoring this headlight on this 2010 Nissan Frontier. The products we'll be using today is this compound, this headlight restoration kit, and some Crest toothpaste. Now in the past when I've restored headlights on a vehicle, I've always gravitated towards a headlight restoration kit like this one. But today we're going to be trying out the polishing compound and the Crest toothpaste. Now I've also heard that you can use toothpaste to restore your headlight. It's what I've heard and it's what I've seen on the internet, so we'll go ahead and try it out and see how that works for us. If it doesn't work out, I'm pretty sure our best option is to go ahead and use this compound and just compound this headlight and then take the UV sealant from this kit and then just seal the headlight to help protect the headlight from future UV damage in the future. Now let's go ahead and get started. Alright, we got the headlight masked off right here. On the left side, I'm going to start with this restoration kit. And then once I'm done with the restoration kit, I'm going to come around on the right side of this headlight and try the toothpaste. We'll see what's inside this restoration kit. Alright, so here we have 4 cleaning oxidation removal kits. We'll go ahead and open this packet up and get started. Now the instructions say you're supposed to wipe it and just kind of scrub it as hard as you can. This one doesn't have a scrubbing pad, so we're just going to use this. Let's go ahead and scrub it, see how it comes off. That should do it on this left side. I'm just going to wipe it off with some paper towels and this microfiber towel. And start on the right side. Go ahead and put this toothpaste on. This is what the restoration kit looks like on the left side. And on the right side we have the toothpaste. So the toothpaste looks like it took a little bit of the oxidation off, but not as well as the restoration kit. We'll move over to the other headlight and apply the compound and see how that turns out. Alright, so that was about 2 to 3 minutes of compounding. Look at the results. You can see right through the headlight to the reflector now. We'll go ahead and swing back over to the other headlight and do a quick comparison. So again, this is using the compound. We'll go ahead and pull this masking tape off to see how much of difference the restoration kit did compared to the toothpaste. So here, you could definitely see that it helped with the oxidation a little. Where the tape was at, this is the original. And then over here on the far right, this side is the toothpaste. So there's our comparison. Restoration, doing nothing, using toothpaste. Now this compound works so well on the other side. I'm just going to finish up this headlight in real time to show you guys how quickly this job can be accomplished. We basically just went ahead and compounded this other headlight. We're almost done, but we need to seal it up so we can protect it from the UV rays. Now inside of this kit, there's a UV sealing wipe. We're going to take the wipes that's in here to go ahead and cover this headlight to protect it from any more damage from the sun. Here's the UV wipe. We're going to tear it open, wipe this side, and then wipe the other side down. And then we should be done. That is it. Now the instructions do say you gotta let this sealant dry for a couple of hours before you start driving it. So I'm just gonna leave it in the garage for now, let it go ahead and dry, and then we'll come back later to check up on it. This is a front view of the vehicle right now. This is how it looks like with the headlights restored. As you can tell, this vehicle looks so much better now. A vehicle with oxidized headlights just makes the vehicle look old. Now when they see me coming down the road, they won't think this is an old beat up truck anymore. They'll probably think it's a newer Nissan Frontier. Maybe like a 2017 or 18. Now you've seen it with your own eyes. What a compound can do for a restoration job on this headlight. What a restoration kit can do, and what toothpaste can do. Remember to join us next time on Garage Matters and hit that like and subscribe button.